Today we have brought you the latest Tesla news. Tesla may choose new factory location by end of year. Tesla dominates top 4 spots in most driven EVs survey. Tesla FSD beta released in Europe and Australia. And Tesla Cybertruck design and build challenges will yield great pickup, Musk says. Let's get into all the details. So let's get started. Tesla may choose a location for a new factory by the end of the year, Elon Musk said. The company already has factories in its largest markets, so it will be very interesting to know which country the company chooses. Tesla CEO Elon Musk was interviewed by the Wall Street Journal as part of his initiative to meet with publications supporting various political beliefs. During it, he stated that the company will likely choose the location of its next electric vehicle factory by the end of 2023. The interviewer wanted to know in which countries Tesla is most interested. In light of recent rumors that a factory in India is being considered, he asked if the company was interested in that particular country. Musk replied, "Absolutely." Recent rumors indicate Tesla will seriously consider India as its manufacturing site. India is a major automotive market. In addition, there is cheap labor there, which can make production in India even more attractive. In recent weeks, Musk has also personally met with the president of South Korea and the president of France. Both presidents tried to get Tesla to invest in their countries. Representatives of the company also met with higher-ranking Indian officials. Tesla already has EV factories in all of its major markets, the US, China, and Europe. The vehicles are manufactured at the Fremont factory in Giga Texas in the USA, Giga Shanghai in China, and Giga Berlin in Germany. Mexico will be the next country where the Gigafactory will be built. Given that there will be 3 factories in North America after the construction of Giga Mexico is completed, it is likely that Tesla will consider expanding to another region. Apparently, the company will be looking to build a car factory for the production of vehicles on a new platform, so one will be needed in Asia for deliveries to the region and beyond. Moving to the next update, Tesla dominates top 4 spots in most driven EVs survey. Tesla dominated the top 4 spots in a new survey from IC Cars, which showed the 12 most driven electric vehicles on average per year, with the Model X leading the way. The Model X averaged 10,378 miles per year, leading the Model Y with 10,199, the Model 3 with 9,960, and the Model S in 4th with 9,340. It appears EV drivers prefer a larger cabin for the more miles driven in a given year, as the 2 Tesla models that led the pack were an SUV and a crossover respectively. Interestingly, the Model Y and Model 3, which are Tesla's 2 most popular vehicles, were unable to outmile the Model X, which appears to be the most suitable for longer distances. Among the rest of the data is the Hyundai Kona in 5th, Chevrolet Bolt in 6th, and the Audi e-tron Sportback at 7th. The Porsche Taycan was the least driven EV in the survey, placing 12th, with only 4,846 miles driven per year, which makes sense and aligns with its average price tag of $117,484. Many people wouldn't drive something as sporty for long distances. However, the true factor does not appear to be space in the cabin, but range. Analyst Carl Brauer said that range anxiety continues to impact how consumers utilize their EVs. Looking at 3-year-old electric cars, we see EV owners willing to drive an additional 23 miles per year for every additional mile of range their vehicle offers. That means EVs on average need an additional 161 miles of range to get them to the 12,578-mile annual driving distance we see from traditional gasoline-powered vehicles. It also has to do with overall infrastructure. Gas-powered vehicle drivers have plenty of options for refilling, but EV drivers aren't as lucky, at least not yet. Tesla drivers enjoy the most robust infrastructure in terms of EV charging, and a vast majority, over 99% of US-based chargers, are specific to Tesla drivers. This presents a great advantage for Tesla owners, which seems to be the biggest factor in this study. Tesla can offer the most comparable experience in terms of recharging or refueling, which is most likely why it dominated yet another survey. Moving to the next update, Tesla FSD beta released in Europe and Australia. Tesla full self-driving beta is reportedly coming out in Europe and Australia to a few testers. Teslascope revealed that FSD beta rolled out in at least 2 cars in Europe. A Model S P100D with Hardware 3 received update 2023.12.9 in Belgium. Meanwhile in Germany, a Model S Plaid with Hardware 3 also received the same FSD beta version. A Model 3 Standard Range in Australia received FSD beta version 2023.12.5 recently. Although there are only 2 vehicles in Europe and 1 in Australia, the news of FSD beta reaching cars outside North America is hopeful. Last year, Elon Musk estimated that FSD beta would be available for Europe's left-hand drive markets by summer 2022. Unfortunately, Musk's estimate did not come to pass. However, earlier this year, Tesla published job listings that teased it was ramping up development on advanced driver assist systems in Europe. The company listed jobs in Switzerland, Finland, and Denmark for an ADAS test operator who would be responsible to identify improvements and regressions across software iterations. At the last general shareholders meeting, Elon Musk iterated that Tesla would achieve full autonomy soon. He estimated, albeit reluctantly, that Tesla could reach full autonomy with FSD beta by the end of 2023. FSD beta is much more advanced than ever, so Musk's prediction has better footing now. This past week, Tesla rolled out full self-driving beta to new testers, expanding its pool of drivers testing its advanced driver assist system. Musk hinted that version 11.4.2 might be rolling out soon, and it would address excess conservatism with narrow roads and with lane changes in heavy traffic. Moving to the last update, Tesla Cybertruck design and build challenges will yield great pickup, Musk says. Tesla CEO Elon Musk detailed the design and build challenges that were presented to the automaker with the development of the Cybertruck, its upcoming all-electric pickup. The Cybertruck was first unveiled by Tesla in November 2019 and was slated to begin initial production roughly 1 year later. However, a series of unfortunate delays, including the COVID-19 pandemic, delayed the initial production and release of the Cybertruck by Tesla. Tesla has dialed in a summer 2023 initial production date for the all-electric pickup. However, there are still questions as to when the exact start date of this initial production phase will begin at Gigafactory Texas, located near Austin. The company has revealed that it is in the initial beta production phases as it released new images of the Cybertruck production lines at Giga Texas earlier this year. The images showed production associates refining and confirming the build quality of the all-electric pickup as prototypes continue to be spotted on public roads in both California and Texas. Musk gave the most recent update on the Cybertruck's initial production phase recently through a tweet where he detailed the challenges in terms of designing and building the vehicle, which has an extremely polarizing and unique design that is unlike any pickup on the market. "We're working hard to get Cybertruck into production. This was a tough product to design and even tougher to build," Musk said. Over the past few years, Tesla has continued to refine and improve the design of the Cybertruck as it moves closer to production. Both Musk and Tesla's chief designer, Franz von Holzhausen, have confirmed on several occasions that the Cybertruck's design has been finalized. However, this is far from anything that Tesla has ever built in the past. The exoskeleton of the Cybertruck is made of cold, rolled stainless steel, which presents a unique challenge that Tesla has been tasked with solving ahead of its first deliveries, which are slated to begin in the third quarter. Nevertheless, the challenges have presented both Tesla and Musk with a unique opportunity to revolutionize and disrupt the American pickup market, which has long been dominated by Ford's F-Series. That's it for now. So what are your thoughts about this? Let us know in the comments. Stay tuned at the Electric Arena for all the latest Tesla and electric vehicle news.